Moana stood on the sparkling shore of Motunui, her toes sinking into the warm sand as the waves teased her feet. The distant call of the sea was persistent, mingling with the laughter of her friends weaving baskets under palm trees. Her father, Chief Tue, watched her with a stern but loving eye, reminding her of her duties as future chief. Still, the ocean beckoned with every turquoise shimmer. Deep in the heart of the island, Tala, Moana's spirited grandmother, danced with manta rays painted on her skin, whispering legends of Te Fiti and the mysterious heart-shaped stone hidden in her necklace. One night, as the moon hung low, Tala placed the glowing stone in Moana's hand. "The ocean chose you," she said, eyes twinkling with secrets. The next morning, a sudden blight struck the coconut grove. The villagers grew anxious. Moana, torn between obeying her father and answering the call for help, snuck a canoe to the shore. As she pushed out to sea, the water parted playfully, gently easing her fears. She met Maui, the shape-shifting demigod, on a remote reef, tangled in the net of his own arrogance and humor. Together they braved towering seas, sneaky Kakamora pirates in coconut armor, and a molten monster known as Te Ka. Each obstacle revealed Moana's courage and Maui's humility, sometimes reluctantly. When all hope seemed lost and the ocean stilled, Moana listened to the quiet guidance in her heart. She realized Te Ka was Te Fiti, transformed by anger and loss. Returning the heart, Te Ka melted away to reveal the bright, green goddess hidden within. Motunui's lush trees bloomed once more as Moana sailed home with new wisdom. The villagers celebrated, not just their revived land, but Moana's bravery and the harmony between island and ocean.